For the past decade, Le-Vel has revolutionized premium nutrition for your body. Now, it's time to disrupt the industry with the latest game-changing innovation. Nutrition for your skin. Introducing the all-new Le-Vel SKIN line. Cleanse, repair, reverse. 3 new products to upgrade your skincare routine. Step 1. Cleanse with the Superfruit and Vitamin Cleansing Gel. Designed to cleanse and refresh the skin with a blend of premium plant and fruit extracts to help purify and clean your skin. Use daily by massaging a small amount to damp skin and rinse thoroughly with warm water. Step 2. Repair with the Ultra Vitamin C and Retinol Serum. Infused with shea butter, this hydrating serum is ideal for helping improve skin tone and the appearance of aging skin. Apply 1 to 2 pumps to clean face and neck once or twice daily for radiant skin. Step 3. Reverse with Defy Daily Peptide Cream. Created specifically to help support collagen maintenance, improve firmness in the neck and jawline, and help improve the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Use morning and night for healthy, glowing skin. Give your skin the nutrition it needs and get the vibrant appearance you want with Le-Vel SKIN.